What if I told you that one decision, just one, could redefine who is considered an American citizen forever? Because right now, the U.S. Supreme Court is hearing arguments in a case that could shake the very foundation of birthright citizenship in the United States. And the stakes could not be higher. For over a century, birthright citizenship has been rooted in the 14th Amendment, which clearly states that anyone born on U.S. soil is automatically a citizen. It's a principle that has shaped generations of Americans, creating a simple, powerful rule. If you're born here, you belong here. But now, that rule is being challenged in a way we haven't seen in decades. At the center of this case is a legal question that sounds simple, but could have massive consequences. Does the Constitution guarantee citizenship to everyone born in the U.S., or are there limits that can be imposed based on the status of a child's parents? Some argue that birthright citizenship has been misinterpreted, especially when it comes to children of undocumented immigrants or temporary visa holders. Others say changing this interpretation would completely overturn more than 100 years of legal precedent and open the door to uncertainty for millions of families. During the hearing, justices pressed both sides with intense questions. Some focused on the original meaning of the 14th Amendment. What did lawmakers actually intend back in 1868? Others looked at the real-world consequences. What happens to children born today if the rules suddenly change tomorrow? Could we see a system where citizenship depends on paperwork, legal status, or even government approval? And here's where things get even more intense. If the court decides to narrow birthright citizenship, it wouldn't just affect future births. It could trigger a legal and political storm across the country. States might be forced to redefine residency rules, federal agencies could face massive policy shifts, and families who believed their children were unquestionably American might suddenly face uncertainty. On the other hand, if the court upholds the current interpretation, it would reinforce a long-standing principle that many see as a cornerstone of American identity, one that promotes equality, stability, and clarity. But even then, the debate wouldn't end. This issue has been politically charged for years, and no matter the outcome, it's likely to remain a major flashpoint in national conversations about immigration and constitutional rights. What makes this moment so critical is that the decision doesn't just live in law books. It impacts real people, real families, and the future of an entire nation. We're talking about how America defines itself at its core. Is citizenship a birthright, or something that can be redefined? As the nation waits for the final ruling, one thing is clear. This isn't just another court case. It's a turning point. And whatever the U.S. Supreme Court decides could shape the meaning of being American for generations to come.